how to transfer money from PayPal to Redotpay. So if you want to transfer money from PayPal to Redotpay in 2026, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser and then make sure that you're logged into your PayPal. So search for PayPal, go with login, which will be in the top right, and then log into your account. Now, once you've logged into your account, you need to go with the settings, which will be on the top right. Once you click on settings, you will have the account option, which will be on the top. Go with the account settings. Once you're on your account settings, you need to just go with the left side, and then you will have money, banks, and cards. You need to click on it, which will be under your business profile. Once you click on it, you will find an option of link a bank right here. So click on link a bank, then enter the information of your Redotpay. After that, you may now link your bank, and your Redot account will be connected with your PayPal. So if you've connected your Redotpay, then you'll be able to transfer money from your PayPal to your Redotpay. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.